What's happening, my friend? David White here. Thank you so very much for grabbing a copy of the AI Ads Masterclass. Don't know why that's so hard to say today, but anyway. So here's the deal. Hernan is teaching that class. You will have gotten an email about where to go to log into our members area to get that. But we got something else cool that came about after we created the AI Ads Masterclass that will really help you with getting ChatGPT to write really, really good copy in your actual voice. So here's the thing. ChatGPT is a completely blank slate. It knows nothing about who you are or what you do or what your business is or what kind of ads you like to run. It literally knows nothing. It has, they call it a corpus. It has this corpus of knowledge, or like a library of stuff that it knows about a whole bunch of different stuff. And if you want to get it to do things, you really have to ask it in the right way. The example that I always give is, imagine that ChatGPT is a robot and you say to it, hey, go and put this milk in the fridge. Now, if ChatGPT goes to the fridge, opens the door, takes the lid off the milk and just pours it all through the inside of your fridge and walks away and leaves the door open, you got what you asked for. The milk is in the fridge. It's not exactly what you wanted, but it's what you asked for. So with that said, you got to get really good at asking for what you actually want rather than what you don't want. So with that said, there's a new feature that ChatGPT has called Code Interpreter. Now, you need to have the pro version of ChatGPT, which I promise you will be the best $20 you ever spend a month in your entire life. But what you can do with Code Interpreter, well, let me explain how it works first and foremost. So ChatGPT, generally speaking at the moment, has a certain amount of knowledge that you can give it in any one particular prompt. There's a word count, for want of a better term. What this Code Interpreter tool appears to do, first of all, it allows you to upload a document, but most importantly, it appears to allow you to give ChatGPT this much information, which is really, really important for us. Because if you give ChatGPT a prompt like write me an ad, or write me a script for an ad video, write me an email or a sales page, or any of those sorts of things, like I said, it doesn't know anything about you. It doesn't know if your writing style is fun or dark and moody or very technical or super inspirational or anything like that. So here's what we suggest you do. Start creating swipe files of really high converting ads or scripts that you've written for ads in the past. You can do the same thing with emails, sales pages, social media content, what have you, and put these into a document. Now, what I want you to do when you go to create ads the next time that you're using our good old friend ChatGPT is I want you to go to the Code Interpreter feature. So if you don't know how to find that, I'll be honest, it's probably going to change. Their interface is probably going to change. So just Google it. It's really simple. But I want you to upload that file of your ads into ChatGPT while you're giving it the prompt saying like, hey, write me ads. And here's specifically what I want you to say. You're about to help me write an ad about thing. Your first job is to review the attached document, which is, and I'll put a copy of this below this video, by the way. Your first job is to review the attached document, which is a swipe file of some of our best performing ads. Specifically, I want you to learn the writing style, voice, and style of communication that we have with our audience. Do not use code execution, stateful execution, Python, or math rendering for this task. Your second job is to blank. Tell it what you actually want, right? Write me a 200-word ad about eggs, or write me a 900-word ad about bacon, or whatever it is that you're running ads to. So this is one of the things that you absolutely must do if you want ChatGPT to spit out the right kind of stuff for you. As a bonus, you can go one step further if you sort of know and can describe the personality of your brand. And you can say, please note that the writing style that I try to use with my audience is very technical or very lighthearted or very curiosity driven or something like that. Now, when it comes to the actual swipe file itself, how much information should you put in there? Kind of depends. I would say if you're doing stuff like ads and you're writing like less than 200 words per ad or 200 words per video script or something like that, put about 2,000 words worth of ads in there. If you're doing something longer, like emails or sales pages, try and find a email or sales page copy that really, what's the word here, highlights or demonstrates, that's what I'm looking for, really demonstrates your personality or your brand's personality or the voice that you try and write with when you're talking to your audience. And if you do this, you'll find that when you go to ChatGPT and you say, write me X, write me Y, it'll do it like it's you, which saves you a whole bunch of time editing and messing around with ads that just, you know, like they're good, but they start with, are you tired of, which is, of course, the dead giveaway about copy that was written by a robot. So hope you find that helpful. At the moment, we're not teaching this anywhere outside of our AI Marketing Hub flagship program. Just quietly, I've put a button below this video that you can click on to go and check out all the cool stuff that's involved there. And I highly encourage you to come join us because we're doing some really cool stuff in the hub. So once again, thank you for joining us for the AI Ads Masterclass. You'll get that email, or you should have gotten that email by now, about Hernan's trainings in our members area. And join the hub. Come check it out. We got a lot of cool stuff in there. And I think we'll make you a better marketer and make you faster at the same damn time. So David White here. See you soon.